At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Trinidad and Tobago police and fire officials are investigating the cause of a fire Monday morning that led to the death of Junior Minister of Education Lisa Morris Julian. Initial reports indicate that the fire at her home in Arima also claimed the lives of 2 other people, including a 6-year-old child. My wisdom warriors, you know how it go already. Me have to bring on straight over TNT, Trinidad and Tobago. Seriously, government MP and junior minister dies in house fire. I just want to say, rest in peace, and my condolence goes out to the family. Canadian Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland, long Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, most powerful and loyal minister, announced Monday she was resigning from the cabinet as Trudeau struggles with declining popularity. Freeland, who also was Deputy Prime Minister, said Trudeau had told her Friday that he no longer wanted her to serve as Finance Minister and that he offered her another role in the cabinet. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors, Prime Minister Trudeau, box cover, this a man here, tell the woman say he don't want her to be the finance minister anymore, and he offered her another role. When I hear them something here, so what is really going on in Canada? Me Canada people, what is going on? We don't know Prime Minister and Finance Minister. What is going on? Put on a comment in the comment section, because me really want to know, what really going on. Like seriously, you know say something in something? Something into something. Something are going big, my wisdom warriors, but we don't know. Boy, me wish them the best. My wisdom warriors, you know in the video, the last video that I post, Mocha arrested 4 persons from Sagicor Group, Jamaica. You remember, Well, Sagicor Group Jamaica says it's cooperating with the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency, MOCA, as it carries out investigations into a 2016 to 2019 fraud case involving personnel affiliated with the group. The case is also being probed by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime, which them call the CTOC branch, along with other agencies of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Might as well no cope, Sagicor. Might as well no cope, because too much people money gone missing. Too much people money has been going missing. You understand? If I check NCB, the whole of them, everybody complain. We always see video come out. The people them a cry for their money, a ball out for their money. People sacrifice, save them money, and the bank just take it just like that. And you see the bank them have a new style now. I talk about Uber. Take out money out of people's account. When nothing no go somewhere with Lord Jesus. Hey, you have people who never take Uber yet. Never take Uber yet, my wisdom warriors. When they check no money in their account. It bad, It bad. Hey, if you no listen, and remove no money, If you no take no money from out of the bank, them, you not going a problem, You can't say, me never want, Uno cannot say hat off at the press. Never want Uno take heed. The parliamentary opposition says greater focus should be placed on the welfare of hotel workers for the industry to reach its full potential. Opposition spokesperson on tourism, Senator Janice Allen, says the success of tourism should not only be measured by the number of rooms or people who come to Jamaica. Well, yeah, Jesus. Andrew Holness is out here focusing on the wrong thing. Andrew Holness is out here focusing on the wrong thing. You know see? Andrew Holness a bill himself. You know hear what them name? The builder. Andrew Holness out here making money Remember, I'm the biggest investor in Jamaica, you know. I'm a get all of the top contract them. And just say, you know what, I want some money for making us. Say, you know what, we are going to build something over there, so. So, what Andrew Honest for really focus on, him and Edmund Bartlett, they not focus on that, my wisdom warriors. No time at all. Me really feel sorry for the hotel workers, them, you know. Me really feel sorry for the hotel workers, Jano. Boy, una have to understand, you know, and know what is going on. Una have to understand and know what is going on because Andrew Honest, Edmund Bartlett, Horace Chang, all of them take with a fool, you know. Then take with a fool. And just we have some people fool, then just think that everybody is the same. Seriously. But I agree totally with Janice Allen. I totally agree with her opposition calls for greater focus. And yes, it's true. They need to focus more on the hotel workers, but they're not. They're not. They're not focusing on the welfare of the hotel workers. And if them not focus now, and when Andrew Honest turned president, at that time, I don't think Andrew will focus. Hey, my Jamaican people, be wise and take heed. You sleep on my death. Remember me at half of the press telling you that. Andrew Honest, I know one easy boy. We can't allow Andrew Honest to be president of Jamaica. We cannot allow that. Remember, you know, this is going to be the last election, so we cannot allow that. My wisdom warriors, the way how Andrew Honest is out here, desperate. You know them have a thing where them keep, you know, where like it's like a charity event where them put on something called splash. I think teen splash, something like that. Them always, you know, they always keep it every year. So no say Andrew Honest put off a stunt upon them. My wisdom warriors, between me and Uno. The police them say no teen splash and keep. Anyway, after a sudden we only hear say Andrew Honest say fi make it keep. So the Labour right them now out here I say how Andrew Honest save the teen splash and how Mark Golden a go fix now. Uno no say Uno no say I vote Andrew Honest a look. I vote Andrew Honest a look. Uno no see that boy. Uno no say I vote Andrew Honest a look. Andrew Honest a go try to do everything in him power, which is right. And that him go try to do. Why him never do it a year ago? Why him never do things and change things the year before? During COVID, when they tell the people themselves to go in a them house and stay in a them ends, and the people they enough to come out of them yard, people want food and couldn't get no food. While people hungry, why they never send help? They never send no help. So Andrew Honest after son come go like him care. He come go like him care. Uno no see, uno no read between the lines. Uno Labour right, uno get caught up in a Andrew Honest. Andrew I go frig uno up. Me only sorry PNP I go in it too. Seriously. The good I go suffer for the bad. I just that. Andrew Honest I go mess up the Jamaican people. Real bad. Real bad. Boy. My wisdom warriors, they see all these things are pure corruption, you know. Because if the police said no teen splash, because for whatever reason, how Andrew Honest for change that? How Andrew Honest for change that? Andrew Honest not have nothing to do with that, so how am I try to change it? What is he doing? What is he doing? Because Andrew I look vote, I just that. He just a look vote. He just want the young people them to vote for him. That's all it is. That's all, nothing else. So we have to just wake up my people. That's all we have to do. Anyway, hear this. The Court of Appeal has reserved judgment in the case of Dante Brooks, the son of dancehall entertainer Movado, who is serving a life sentence for murder. Judgment was reserved last Wednesday. My wisdom warriors, we are going to dig a little bit deep into Andrew Honest's business because I don't know the things set already. Zara Burton investigation into the Prime Minister asset and his relationship with Robert Garvin led her to land a bombshell interview with the Prime Minister's former attorney who contradicted himself when he was first denied that he didn't know who Robert Garvin was. My wisdom warriors, maybe someone will see the video Maybe some of you don't. However, let me continue reading. When Zara Burton presented signed documents by the Prime Minister's signature and his former attorney address of 28 Herb McKinley Drive, Kingston 6, then the Prime Minister former attorney reversed his statement to admit that he knew who Robert Garvin was. Una see say every liar is a thief? Una see say every liar is a blasted thief? This a man come out, the attorney come out and lie, to Zara, the reporter, lie, to Zara, say him no know who is Robert Garvin. But when push come to shove, when she start to dig deep and question him, he come out and talk short and say yes, he knew who Robert Garvin was. Tell you about them people, yeah. Robert Garvin's name was listed as a director in the Prime Minister in all 5 of the Prime Minister companies, including Positive Jamaica Foundation Limited. The Prime Minister used Adman to establish 5 companies. Wanna listen good, me people? One is Positive Jamaica Foundation Limited. The other one is Sunshine Mobile Company Limited, West Central St. Andrew Trust Limited, Omega Bridge Finance Limited, and the former Delido Taxi Service Limited. Wanna see how much business Andrew owners have out of Adman, out of one company. Wanna see how much he have 5 and he have whole heap more. Whole heap more. No, sir. In addition, Robert Garvin, along with another business associate, Donovan Simpson, were involved in another company, Western Construction Limited, that was awarded 14 government contracts totally. Lord Jesus, when I hear them something here, me say if when I hear them something here, my people, me box cover. In addition, Robert Garvin, along with another business associate, Donovan Simpson, were involved in another company, Western Construction Limited, that was awarded 14 government contracts, totaling Jamaican dollar 28.5. Jesus, $28.5 million during the period of fiscal year 2006 and 2009. 12 of the 14 contracts were under the JLP government. 9 of the 14 contracts listed 0, only 1 tender. 10 of the 14 contracts were granted by the Ministry of Education when the Prime Minister was the minister, and by the National Waste Agency and Social Development Commission of Work in the Prime Minister constituency. Then how we have this man now say he is leading and he has led us through? Let us wear. Let us wear. Uno say Sir Andrew Holness is a top businessman. Andrew Holness is not a prime minister. He's not doing a prime minister duty. A different thing he might do. He's out here enriching himself. Uno not say what go on. Me I try to explain to my people. That's why you hear him talk about he is the builder. Because them a real estate developer. This is what they do. So just if you feel like you want to make some money today, you just come up with the idea and say, I'm going to just build up an institution over there. So that him do. You understand? So who is really gaining? Is it us, the Jamaican people? No, actually they're stealing our money. If Andrew Holness want to do business, go on, go do your business. And make somebody else step in that care about the Jamaican people and the affairs for the Jamaican people. Yeah, do your own a business. Yeah, businessman, go on, no? Go explore and do your thing. Nobody not stop you. No, sir, this a man here is just a do it for him and his family. He's only doing it for him and his family. And he lied, you see? He lied and terrible bad. Civil society advocate Carol Narcisse had expressed her concerns regarding the awarding of government contracts process. So, you see all of this, my wisdom warriors, really and truly, Andrew Holness have no love for no Jamaican people. So much contract them a give one company. Look how much company in a Jamaica. And them a give them friends the contract. That's all them do. Give them friends the contract. It is sad. It is really sad, and then not chat about on love Jamaican people. Una look out for yourself. Una don't care about the Jamaican people. And I don't know when Jamaican people are going to realize that. I don't know when. We have to rise up against this man. 14 contracts alone gone to one company. This is not right. This is really not right. And look, everything underneath Andrew Holness' office. House, land, money, Ministry of Labour, finance, every blasted thing underneath Andrew Holness' hand. I don't understand. How comes? How we allow that? And listen, you don't follow the Labour right because Andrew are going to freak them up. You see the Labour right supporters them? You don't follow them. You see them no learn. Them no learn. They come like them forget that them same one used to ball out during COVID, before COVID, after COVID. Enough Labour right come out and touch road and mad with Andrew, but then forget all of that. But no worry, man. No worry. Seems like on easy forget. No worry. Andrew I go give it. Andrew really I go give it to you. You have a strap and a switch put on a weight pan uno. The only thing me sorry is PNP I go fall into this. Seriously. Because nobody now get up. Nobody now do nothing. Nobody now protest and ask for Andrew Holness for resign. Nobody. I don't understand. Nobody. Every day you just get up, talk. Nobody now do nothing. Not even talk. You just a murmur and a whisper. You have to do something, Jamaica. You have to stop telling yourself, say, you don't have nothing to do with no, because it will affect every single person. It will affect every single person. Everything what Andrew Holness do, it will affect we. So we need to unite and just touch the streets. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, I want to run over to my other channel. It is called the PNP News Round. Subscribe and get me to 5K subs. Blessings upon blessings. One love.